At least it's not tax form. Getting them up there so we can continue on. All right, one side of the form is complete. We needed to mix up some hot lime mortar. Hot lime mortar, so Frank could set these two top stones because they were just shimmed. They were shimmed in, so these will have a good couple of days to set, and then we can get the rest of the form and concrete done.
Concrete on.
Cray. So pretty exciting. Okay. There is the form for the front on the second floor, and it goes down about what, 3 feet. And yeah, we know there's a couple screws in there. I dropped them, but we have a magnet we'll get them out with before we pour. And we scooted it down a little bit this morning. We're getting ready to work on this form over here. It's a little more tricky with the floor joists sticking out, but we're going to get that going, and then we are going to play with concrete for a little while. So Frank's going to add some rebar in there.
DIY concrete rebar bender.
Hey, whatever works. Do you need me to stand on this end?
Yep. You might stand on the pipe now. Don't let it roll under you. All the way up to here.
Oh. It's bent. You make it work. And it will go right in there. Making some progress on the form.
We're getting there.
Yep. Trying to get all the supports in there and underneath so it doesn't spill out. So, and then she's just about ready. Hi Frank, how's it going?
Oh, just trying to patch everything up so the concrete doesn't all leak out. Yeah. No, this isn't much fun. But it is what it is.
We got it. It's a necessary evil to continue on.
Oh, it's evil.
Yeah. Okay, the form is ready. We've got all the rebar bent. We showed you how we did that earlier. But it is all ready. So tomorrow it is concrete pour day, and we are mixing multiple bags, 30 some odd bags. 42 bags. So it'll be fun. All right, getting out that final debris out of the form so that we can begin the pour. Ready for the pour. Okay.
Think we're ready?
I hope so. It's been difficult getting ready.
Yeah. Filling in forms.
But he's got these really cool things he built to help get it in there so it doesn't get all over the...
Because I pour it with a bucket.
Yeah.
There and there.
on this little one on this side so it doesn't get all over the windowsill. We have our mixer, we have our buckets, our water, our cement, all handy dandy. So
yeah, so I got to take 3,200 pounds of concrete, put it in this, and then take the 3,200 pounds after it's mixed with water and put it in there.
right.
So that's 3 tons of stuff I have to move today.
Yeah, that's exactly right. I mix it and put it in the buckets for him.
No, you put the water in.
Yeah, and put them in the buckets. I load the buckets.
That's true.
And all right, we got some mixed up, and
Put it in the form.
we're gonna put it in there.
Some rebar goes in next.
All right, this side. On a beautiful sunny day. And then comes the next bucket. Guess there's no finesse to this, is there?
What do you mean? That's finesse for concrete. So now, we got the vibrator, and we ran 300 feet of extension cord to the tenant house because it kind of has electricity.
Kinda is a good word. That's pretty cool. That helps all the voids to get out, right?
Yep. You got rebar to go in.
Now rebar. We bent this yesterday
Mark.
and marked it so we knew when it was supposed to go in, and we bent it to get it all ready to go.
Come on. It's always
something.
Where the-
There it goes.
So, should go all the way there. And then I need 2. Let's see, this is 2A right. So that one goes right here.
Look at that.
3, 2B left.
So
This one's not to the left.
no, it doesn't want to be left. This is going to be one strong
Yeah.
wall.
We are. That's one thing about amateurs. They tend to overbuild, not underbuild. So I'm sure we could have saved money here and there.
But you know, I'd much rather overbuild than underbuild.
You know, we see people do that online.
Yeah. Getting it all
On
settled in.
YouTubes.
Yeah. Getting it all settled in where it's supposed to go. And then the process starts all over again. We're getting there. We are getting there.
Well, this is the aftermath. All the empty bags. Carrie's helping clean up the concrete mixer.
Messy. But it makes our life much easier.
We had that much mixed, but couldn't use. And we're protecting it from a little bit of rain. But underneath there's a whole bunch of concrete. We didn't do too bad. Tarp is protecting the floor. It's always fun mixing concrete inside on the second floor, huh, baby?
Yeah. Trying to be as clean as you can.
Yep.
Now we're playing a waiting game.
So we can't take the tarp off and leave it off because it drips.
Yeah. But that looks really nice, Frank. We just have that 2x4 there to help keep the tarp off the cement. But it's looking good.
I'm dirty though.
Yes, you are.
And wet.
Yes, you are. But doing concrete is dirty work.
I wonder if my hair is gonna wash out.
All the concrete dust. Good thing you had a mask on.
Yeah.
It was needed.
This is what the mess looks like.
Yeah. I think it looks really good. It's the drips from the third floor. It is setting up nicely. So and there it is. We are in the process of kind of blocking, not weatherproof, but just blocking some of the water from dripping in. And just a temporary measure. And there it is. What are you doing? What are you doing in my basket? You silly girl. That's not a bed for you. That's not a bed for you.
silly girl. Yes, you are. Meanie, meanie.